After getting up in the morning, you have to make sure you do your shaving. Should have a clean shave whenever when you come to your shift. There should not be anything visible. You should look clean. Perfumes are to be used in moderation. Do not ever use a strong perfume. Your perfume should be mild. It should not be a problem for the others. Like if you are wearing a very strong perfume, then it could be a problem to the person in front of you or maybe next to you. So the guest might have a problem with your strong smell, so every time if you are wearing a perfume, make sure you wear a mild perfume. No visible tattoos. Never ever make any tattoos in your hands, the areas which are easily visible by the guest. So if you have tattoo, that should not be visible to the guest. Socks should be black or in dark color to go with pants. Like hotel mostly wear black color trousers, so it is preferable to wear a black socks, that too without any design. It need to be plain socks. Deodorant must be worn. Wear a deodorant, that is essential requirement of a front office personnel. You should not smell the odor or the body odor which coming from you should not have a some kind of bad smell or something. So you should always wear a deo. Mild deos you should wear. Next, black non-slip shoes are to be worn. No laces are permitted. Shoes are to be always clean and polished. So you need to wear a black non-slip shoes, and there should not be any laces. Do not wear a fancy or designable shoes. Always wear a simple shoes, and that need to be pressed. It need to be polished. Name badge is to be worn and in good condition. The name badge is the most essential, which identifies you as a person. Your name represents the hotel. Your hotel name will be there, and your name will be there. So it is most essential to wear a name badge so that everybody can recognize you easily. The guest can recognize you easily. Now comes to the grooming standards. For the females, it is essential to have a very light makeup. Makeup should be very minimum. Do not wear fancy eyeliners, blue, green or so. Always wear a black one, light kajal, and if you are putting a blusher, it should be light. It should not look very gaudy type. Like it should not look like you are going for a marriage. It should be very simple. Nail varnish should be clear. Do not put green, red, blue or different kind of colors. Either it should be clean or do a French manicure or wear a very simple like light color nail polish. Jewelry is confined to a wedding, engagement band and one discreet necklace. One stud earrings can be worn. So if you are married, you can wear the Mangal Sutra, or if you are not married, then you wear a simple chain. And do not ever wear hanging earrings. You are not supposed to wear that. You wear a simple tops or studs with a one stone or a very simple. Then comes the wristwatch. Wristwatch should be worn but not a fancy one. It should be of a simple design. Black low-heeled non-slip court shoes and are to be worn. Shoes must always be clean and polished. So you should not wear a high heel. It should be non-slip and simple design bellies you can wear, which need to be cleaned and polished. Black or skin tone pantyhose are to be worn. No leathers in stockings. So you can wear a very simple stockings. If you are wearing a skirt, you need to wear a black simple stockings. Do not wear designable stockings. Hair to be of a natural color, and if below the shoulders to be tied back with the plain black elastic. So if you have a short hair, you can open it, or if you have a little long hair below the neckline, then you need to tie a bun, or you need to tie it properly so that no hair comes to your face, your face is not covered by any kind of hair. No visible tattoos, same like the male. No tattoos if you are having a tattoo in your hand, it should not be visible to the guest. Perfume to be used in moderation. Same, deo and perfume, both in a mild one you have to use. Do not ever use a strong one. Name badge to be worn and in good condition. Your name badge represents that you belongs to this department of this hotel. So every time you are on the shift, with the proper grooming standards, you have to wear your name badge, and make sure your name badge is good, in a good condition. If it's torn, you need to replace it, and if it's the letters are not visible, or then you need to replace it. So you have to wear a very properly good condition name badge, and make sure you always wear the name badge with your uniform in the shift. So these are some standards we need to maintain in the hotel industry. This is very essential for a person working in the hotel industry, because these are the standards been given by the hotel industry, so that you look professional, and in front of the guest you look good, because you are representing the hotel. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, let me know. Thank you.